The culture of ASAP reports. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. In education, the word ASAP or ASAP has quietly become a culture and a dangerous one. When reports are demanded urgently, data gathering turns into data rushing. Teachers and staff already overloaded are forced to choose speed over accuracy, compliance over reflection. Numbers get filled just to meet deadlines, not to tell the real story of learners and schools. The result? Decisions are made on shaky data. Programs are approved, budgets are allocated, and policies are revised based on information that may be incomplete, inconsistent, or inaccurate. In the long run, this weakens planning, misdirects resources, and erodes trust in the system. Education suffers not from lack of reports, but from lack of reliable evidence. If we truly want reforms that work, we must slow down to get things right. Quality data requires time, clarity, and purpose. Because in education, rush data leads to rush decisions, and learners pay the price. Thank you for watching.